Do you know that picture? Do you know that? Oh my god! You know that horse in that rom-com?
Horse in the rom-com?
The rom-com with the Spider-Man guy. What's his name? Andrew Garfield?
Andrew Garfield romance with a horse?
Garfield
You would not
romance.
believe this. Andrew Garfield romanced a horse.
We live in time.
Whoa! That's not real, is it?
It's real!
That's real?
They have like a poster, and in the background is the fucking ugliest, like, carousel horse in the entire world.
No, that's not an ugly horse. Leave him alone.
How did they agree to this? Do you think this is engagement bait?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to.
You gotta bait.
Yeah, you have to bait.
It's healthy.
It's. What's something like where they say something that's wrong, so people start fighting each other, and they're like, actually, you're wrong.
Actually, I think women.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Are great.
Yeah, I think they are great too.
Oh, that was really good.
We did it! We did it! We did it!
Yeah. We
We did
Yeah.
it!
Yeah.
We did it!
Yeah.
We. No,
Sorry, I'm speaking French. You might not understand.
We. No, I know French.
Say something.
Wow. No. Was that French? No?
None.
Pretty fluent, right?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
That was just... Oh, I fell off. No! No! They're back. You entertain them. Oh.
Do I? Oh, hi guys, it's me, Cecilia Immergreen from Hololive EN Justice. What does she say? I'm too tired for this. Let me put her down. Let me shoot her. Hi guys, it's me, Cecilia Immergreen from Hololive EN Justice. Spin to win. I'm EP, but I'm happy and I'm glad to be here. Hi, welcome back. Woo!
I'm gonna eat a Tums.
Oh, do you have a tummy ache?
Yeah. You want one?
No, I don't want one.
Oh, nom, nom,